Money has no value. The value comes from the dreams money helps achieve. This quote by Robert Kiyosaki sets the tone for his best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is about personal finance and wealth building. Kiyosaki introduces us to the two most influential figures in his life when it comes to money, his rich dad and his poor dad. He explains how his real father, who was highly educated and held a stable job, focused on earning a high income and saving money, but struggled financially. In contrast, his rich dad, a successful entrepreneur who didn't have a high level of formal education, had built a substantial fortune through his various investments and business ventures. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education, explaining that it is not taught in schools and must be sought out on one's own. He believes that understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is crucial to achieving financial success. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Provides practical tips for identifying assets, such as investing in real estate, stocks, and businesses. He also cautions against investing in liabilities disguised as assets, such as expensive cars or flashy jewelry. By focusing on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities, Kiyosaki believes that anyone can achieve financial independence and build long-term wealth. Kiyosaki challenges the traditional notion of working to earn a paycheck. He argues that while a steady job may provide financial security in the short term, it does not build long-term wealth. Instead, he suggests working to build assets that generate income and provide financial security over the long term. Kiyosaki also discusses the role that fear and self-doubt can play in holding people back from achieving financial success. He notes that many people are afraid to take risks or invest in assets due to the possibility of failure or loss. However, he emphasizes that taking action and facing one's fears is crucial to building wealth. He offers practical tips for overcoming fear and taking action towards building assets, such as starting small and focusing on areas of interest or expertise. He also recommends seeking out mentors or financial advisors who can provide guidance and support. Kiyosaki also discusses the importance of financial literacy, explaining that understanding the language of money is key to making informed decisions and building wealth. By focusing on building assets and overcoming fear and self-doubt, he believes that anyone can achieve financial independence and long-term success. Kiyosaki discusses the importance of financial education and why traditional education may not provide adequate financial knowledge. He argues that while many people spend years studying traditional subjects such as math, science, and history, they may lack basic financial literacy skills. Kiyosaki explains that financial literacy is crucial for taking control of one's own financial future. Without a solid understanding of basic financial concepts, such as assets, liabilities, and cash flow, it can be difficult to make informed decisions about money. He emphasizes the importance of taking a proactive approach to financial education and seeking out resources that can provide valuable knowledge and insight. He offers resources for improving financial literacy, such as books, podcasts, and online courses. He also recommends seeking out mentors or financial advisors who can provide guidance and support. Kiyosaki emphasizes that taking control of one's own financial future is essential for achieving long-term financial success. By investing time and effort into financial education and seeking out resources for improving financial literacy, viewers can start taking steps towards achieving financial independence and creating a life of financial freedom. He emphasizes the importance of financial literacy in making informed financial decisions and offers practical tips for creating a personal budget and tracking expenses. Kiyosaki explains that financial statements, such as income statements and balance sheets, can provide valuable information about an individual's financial health. By tracking income and expenses, individuals can get a clear picture of their cash flow and identify areas where they may be overspending or undersaving. He also stresses the importance of creating a personal budget and sticking to it. By setting clear financial goals and tracking progress towards those goals, individuals can stay motivated and focused on achieving long-term financial success. Kiyosaki offers practical tips for creating a budget, such as tracking expenses in a spreadsheet or using budgeting software. He also suggests setting aside a portion of income for savings and investments and regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget as needed. Kiyosaki begins by explaining that taxes have been used throughout history as a way for governments to fund public services and infrastructure. However, he also notes that taxes can have a significant impact on an individual's financial situation and that understanding tax laws and regulations is essential for achieving financial success. Kiyosaki goes on to explain that the tax system is designed to reward those who own assets and businesses rather than those who work for a paycheck. He argues that the wealthy use the tax system to their advantage by taking advantage of various deductions and credits. To illustrate this point, Kiyosaki shares a story about his rich dad, who taught him about the benefits of incorporating a business. By incorporating a business, individuals can limit their personal liability and take advantage of various tax deductions and credits. Kiyosaki notes that this can be a powerful tool for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of building a team of professionals, such as lawyers and accountants, to assist with the process of starting and managing a business. He offers resources for starting a business and understanding tax laws, including books, courses, and professional organizations. He argues that the rich are able to generate money because they have a different mindset than the poor and middle class. Kiyosaki introduces the concept of cash flow, which is the movement of money in and out of a business or investment. He emphasizes the importance of investing in assets that generate positive cash flow, such as rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or a business that provides a passive income stream. To illustrate his point, Kiyosaki shares the story of how he and his wife Kim started investing in real estate. They realized that by purchasing properties and renting them out, they could generate a steady stream of rental income that would cover their expenses and eventually provide them with financial freedom. Kiyosaki also emphasizes the importance of constantly looking for opportunities to create passive income streams. This requires creativity and innovation, as well as a willingness to take calculated risks. To get started on the path to financial freedom, Kiyosaki offers the following tips. 1. Educate yourself about the different types of assets that generate cash flow, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. 2. Look for opportunities to acquire these assets at a reasonable price and generate positive cash flow. 3. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks and invest in your own ideas and projects. By following these tips and adopting a mindset of creativity and innovation, you can begin to invent money and build long-term wealth. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of continually learning and developing new skills, rather than just focusing on earning a high salary. Kiyosaki shares his personal story of how he left his high-paying job to work for free at his rich dad's company in order to gain real-world business experience and learn how to build assets. He explains that traditional education can be limiting in terms of practical knowledge and that learning by doing is often more effective. The chapter highlights the benefits of having a diverse skill set, as it allows individuals to adapt to changing circumstances and take advantage of new opportunities. Kiyosaki also stresses the importance of finding ways to create value for others, as this is ultimately what generates income and wealth. To help readers develop new skills, Kiyosaki recommends seeking out mentors and taking advantage of resources such as online courses, workshops, and books. He encourages readers to embrace a mindset of continuous learning and growth, as this is essential for achieving financial success. Robert Kiyosaki talks about the importance of overcoming obstacles on the path to financial success. Kiyosaki acknowledges that building wealth is not easy and that many people face significant challenges along the way. However, he argues that it's important to face those challenges head-on and to persist in the face of adversity. One key ingredient in overcoming obstacles, according to Kiyosaki, is persistence. He emphasizes the need to keep pushing forward even when things get tough and to never give up on your goals. Another important quality is resilience. Kiyosaki believes that setbacks are inevitable, but that it's possible to bounce back from them with the right mindset and attitude. He encourages readers to cultivate a growth mindset, which means focusing on learning and improvement rather than just achieving a specific outcome. Finally, Kiyosaki offers some practical tips for staying motivated and overcoming obstacles. One is to develop a support network of friends, mentors, and advisors who can offer guidance and encouragement. Another is to set achievable goals and to track your progress towards them so that you can see how far you've come and stay motivated to keep going. To recap, the main themes of Rich Dad Poor Dad include the importance of financial education, the difference between assets and liabilities, and the value of creativity, persistence, and adaptability in building wealth. We encourage viewers to read the book for themselves to gain a deeper understanding of these concepts and how they can apply them to their own lives. Remember, the key to financial success is taking action towards your goals and continuously educating yourself. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this summary of Rich Dad Poor Dad informative and valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on personal finance and wealth building.